You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced in English as castanets, from the Spanish castañetas. Castañetas is how it's pronounced in English. I think in Spanish, sorry. I think the English word for it comes from the French castagnette. In English, castanets. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.